In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your items, how to open an existing product, make clean, accurate updates, and save your changes with confidence. This is perfect if you're refreshing prices, tidying up descriptions, or aligning your sales and cost accounts. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the sales area. This is your hub for anything that touches customers and income, and it's where Xero keeps your items list. Opening sales. First helps you land in the right context for updating products that appear on quotes and invoices. Next, go to products and services. This page shows your full catalog, product codes, names, prices, and whether items are active. If you have a long list, use the search box or filters to quickly find what you need, or sort by name or code to bring similar items together. A few seconds spent organizing here prevents mistakes later. Choose the product you want to update by clicking directly on it. Taking a moment to confirm you've picked the correct item is key. Double check the code and description so you don't accidentally change the wrong product, especially if you use similar names. Once you're in the product details, select Edit Item. This opens the full editing view so you can make precise adjustments. Think of this screen as the source of truth for how the item appears on sales and purchase documents. Now, refine the product information. Keep the item code short, unique, and consistent with any labels or barcodes you use. Make the name clear and the description practical. This text can flow straight onto invoices, so write it the way you want customers to see it. Review the sales price and make sure it matches your current pricing strategy and tax settings. If you buy this item from suppliers, confirm the purchase cost is realistic so your margins report correctly. Check the linked sales and expense accounts to ensure revenue and costs land in the right places on your financial statements. If you're changing accounts mid-year, consider noting the date of change and, if needed, confirm with your accountant to keep reporting consistent. Before you finish, read everything once more for typos, tax rate accuracy, and currency. When you're satisfied, click Save. Xero will store your updates and apply them to new transactions going forward. If you have more products to refine, repeat the same steps for each one to keep your inventory clean and reliable. That's it. Quick, structured, and accurate inventory updates in Xero made easy.